While the eyes of Falcon Nation were focused on a particular football game,
as they win the Commander-in-Chief's trophy and become bowl eligible, Air Force wins it 23-6.
cadets from the Air Force Academy's Law Department were participating in a decidedly more sedate competition.
Moot court is an academic exercise where students argue basically a mock case before the Supreme Court of the United States, but they're using the Supreme Court's actual case law as precedent to make their arguments for one side or the other.
The case touched on a hot-button issue of the day and required participants to argue either side of the case.
Well, we're given a packet of about 8 cases or so, and I know the 14th Amendment issue, probably a couple hundred pages of cases. It's the same for First Amendment, so I've read through that packet of cases maybe 10 times, just front to back, every page, trying to get even down to the footnotes and citations and seeing what the court's talking about. So being able to, on a coin flip, decide what you're going to argue and how effectively you're going to argue, it requires a lot of mental agility.
Severance and his teammate have a goal of making it to the Moot Court competition finals in Miami, Florida, in the middle of a Colorado winter.
That is exactly right. So there's more than one reason for us going to Miami.
Most cadets who graduate from legal studies won't be lawyers, but they will be leaders. And what they get out of the program will help them once they graduate.
We found that this program helps cadets grow leaps and bounds in the area of oral communication, which of course is one of USAFA's outcomes and certainly one of the program goals of our legal studies program.
I think just being able to kind of control a room, just having presence in front of people, answering tough questions off the cuff, those are really, I think, pretty valuable life skills, and so I hope to take that into active duty.
From the United States Air Force's Academy, John Zanone.